Hello student, welcome to mathematics class. Now today we will take example. If a matrix A is of order 3 cross 3, matrix B is of order 3 cross 3, matrix C is of order 3 cross 1, then calculate or verify that A plus B of C is AC plus BC. Very important example. Okay, ask me the example, 5 marks question. Okay, we will calculate first one, A plus B of C. Solution. A plus B. What is A? 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. Plus B. B, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2. 1, 2, 0. Add these two, we will get A plus B. Okay, and we know that according to definition of addition, compulsory the orders of the two matrices should be similar. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 cross 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many number of rows? 3 rows, 3 columns. As we know earlier, then corresponding elements are added. 0 plus 0. Next 6 plus 1. Next 7 plus 1. Next minus 6 plus 1. 0 plus 0. 8 plus 2. Next 7 plus 1. Next minus 8 plus 2. 0 plus 0. Okay, we will get the answer is 0, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0. This is A plus B. How you can calculate. Next, A plus B of C. A plus B of C. That is 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0 into C. C is what? 2, minus 2, 3. And this one we are doing matrix multiplication. See how many number of rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many number of columns? 1, 2, 3. It is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. And this is 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many number of columns? Only 1 column. Then according to matrix multiplication, first matrix you can consider A, 3 cross 3. Second matrix is B, 3 cross 1. As we know, first matrix of the column, second matrix of the row, both are equal, then only matrix multiplication is exist. Then AB exists and resultant matrix is of order 3 cross 1. How many number of rows? 3 rows, 1 column. Then multiply, we get matrix multiplication. First row with first column. 0 into 2 plus 7 into minus 2 plus 8 into 3. First row, first column. Next. Second row, first column. Minus 5 into 2. Minus 5 plus 0 into minus 2. 0 into 2 is what? 0. 10 into 3. 10 into 2. Next. 8 into 2 plus minus 6 into minus 2, minus 6 into minus 0 into 3. 0 into 3 is 0 only, you know that. 0 minus 40 plus 24. Next, minus 10 plus 0 plus 16 plus 12 plus 0. 24 minus 14, 10, 20, 30 minus 10, 20, 16 plus 12, 20, 10, 20, 28. These are order. How many number of rows? 3. And how many number of columns? 3 to 1. In this way, we will get the answer. A plus B of C is 10, 20, 28. Okay. Verify. Is it AC plus BC also? We will get 10, 20, 28. If we get, then A plus B of C is AC plus BC. Okay. Next calculation is A to C. What is our A? 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8. 7 minus 8, 6. C. 2 minus 2. Okay. Then matrix multiplication. Again, first matrix is of order 3 cross 3. Second matrix is of order 3 cross 1. Resultant matrix will get AB 3 cross 1. Okay. Again, same what we have done in the previous. Apply first row with first column. 0 into 2. What will you get? 0. We will write directly because we know that how to calculate. 6 into minus 2. Minus 12. 7 into 3. 21. Next. Minus 6 into 2. Minus 12. 0 into 2. 8 into 3. 20. Next. 7. Third row. First row. 7 into 2. 14. Minus into minus become plus 8 into 2. 16. 0 into 3. 0. Minus 24, 12. 14 plus 16, 30. Okay, this is AC. Next, calculation of BC. B. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 2. 1, 2, 0. C. 2 minus 2, 3. Again, exactly same. You get the matrix of order 3 cross 1 multiply. First row is column 0 into 2 0. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 1 into 3. Next 1 into second row with first column 1 into 2. 0 into minus 2 2 into 3. Next third row first column 1 into 2. 2 into 2 minus 0 into 3. We get minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is what? 1. 6 plus 2. 2 minus 4. Minus 1 8. And next mention AC plus BC. AC is 9, 12, 30 plus BC 1, 8 minus 2. See, this is also order 3 cross 1. This is also order 3 cross 1. Means matrix addition is possible and add corresponding elements. 9 plus 1. 12 plus 8. 30 minus 2. Okay, we get 10, 20, 28. Exactly same what we have done in A plus B of C. Means AC plus BC is A plus B of C. This example is very important. Repeatedly asked in the exam. Don't neglect. Okay. And next example. I will take next example. If a matrix A, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and matrix I, 1 0 0 1, find K so that A square equal to Ka minus 2i. A square equal to Ka minus 2i. Okay. Our very first step is multiply A square calculation. Okay. A square. And A square we know that A into A. Multiply these 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. First matrix. Again same matrix mentioned. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. See, this is a matrix of order. How many number of rows? 2 rows. How many number of columns? 2 columns. 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Correct. This is a matrix of order. First 2 into 2. Second also same. 2 into 2. And we know that first matrix of the column, second matrix of the row are equal. Resultant matrix will get A square will get what it is? 2 into 2 matrix. Okay. Multiply. First row, 3 into 3. Now, 2 into 4, minus 6. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4. Okay. First row, first column, first row, second one. Next one. Second row, first column. 4 into 3. Minus 2 into 4. 4 into 2. Minus 7. Minus into minus. Means we will get, it is 9 minus 8, 1. Minus 6 plus 4. 12 minus 6. Minus 8 plus 4. Okay. Next. Mention Ka minus 2r. Ka minus 2r. K, what is your A? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Okay. Next. Minus 2 mentioned. And remember that always the identity matrix is same as that of given matrix of order. Okay. This is 2 cross 2 means identity matrix is also 2 cross 2. If it is 3 cross 3 means it is also 3 cross 3. 1 0 0 1 because it is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Multiply, we will get it is. And K is a scalar. Multiply each and every element by the given matrix. It is 3K minus 2K, 4K minus 2K minus multiply 2 0 0 means we will get it is 3K subtraction 3K minus 2 minus 2K plus minus 0 4K minus 0 minus 2K minus 2. Okay. And mention A square equal to Ka minus 2r means this implies 1 minus 2 4 minus 2 equal to 3K minus 2 4K minus 2 is 4K minus 2K minus 2K minus 2. Okay. Equate any one. You can get easily the value of K. 3K minus 2. Here first element is 1. Then 3K is 2 plus 1. 3K is 3. What is the value of K? 1. Correct. This is the value of K. In this way we can calculate the value. The given such type of example is asked in the exam for 3 marks question.